We're outside to answer Ted Anderson's question about why he needs to use Plenum Cable in his ceilings to wire his 70-volt speaker system. Chances are the inspectors asked him to do this because his ceilings are actually an air return to get air back to the air conditioning unit. We use Plenum Cable in those spaces because they don't let off a lot of noxious fumes. And the problem would be that if the cable were to catch fire, it would suck the smoke back into the air conditioning system and then distribute it to unaffected parts of the building, hence probably killing people, which not a good thing to happen. To demonstrate what might happen in a fire, we're going to actually burn some cable for you today. We always take safety first, so we have our trusty fire extinguisher here. First, we're going to start with a piece of Plenum cable. This cable is wrapped in a jacket that will not burn fast. It burns very slowly and gives off very little smoke and fumes. Okay. So what should happen is when I put the flame to this, it should start to burn, char, let off a little bit of smoke, but when I remove the flame, it should immediately stop burning and the smoke should be gone within a couple of seconds. So, as you can see, this cable does not act as fuel for the fire and goes out immediately after the fire is out. So, whenever you get the fire out, you can go right back to the sermon. This is a standard PVC patch cord. It's jacketed in what's called polyvinyl chloride, PVC, and it's the same thing that you would pick up at your local Best Buy or wherever you happen to shop for these types of things. The difference between this and the Plenum cable is that it is actually a 60% petroleum-based product, which means that it will burn and actually accelerate the spread of the fire throughout your facility. The other problem is that it actually lets off awful fumes that have biotoxins and some other stuff that, well, I don't understand all of it, but I do know that it lets off chlorine gas, which will hurt you. In fact, it'll kill you. So, we're going to take a flame to this one. Well, actually, insurance regulations won't let us do that, so we're going to have to let you use your imagination. Well, Ted Anderson, I hope that answers your question. Thanks for all the questions, guys. Keep those questions coming at churchmedia.net, the Geeks forum, and come visit us on bluehatonline.com. Thanks a lot, guys.